How to convert Lazada Coins to Lazada Wallet. I'm going to tell you how, or if it's actually possible, to convert Lazada Coins to Lazada Wallet credits. Right now, you cannot directly convert Lazada Coins into Lazada Wallet funds. Lazada Coins are meant for discounts on eligible purchases at checkout, not as actual cash in your wallet. Even if you have a lot of coins, they can't be transferred or withdrawn as money. However, you can still use them to redeem discounts, vouchers, and special promotions to lower your total purchase cost. Just go to the Lazada rewards section to check available offers. Some promotions even allow you to stack Lazada coins with vouchers for bigger savings. Since Lazada often updates its reward system, keep an eye out for any future changes that might allow new ways to use or redeem your coins.